against our fellow Filipinos to spread misinformation that caused fear and division in our society. In other words, nung nilabas nila yung listahan, they already labeled us as purveyors of misinformation. Nakapatak na sa noo namin yun ng mga fake news kami o gumagawa kami ng fake news. And that's why we are here. Because we want to tell the world that we are not. Hindi kami you better ask Marcos because he can probably tell you na mayroong connection siya sa Pogo at sa lumakas ako Marcos na yan. Yung despicable na yan. So you see, when the day comes that you will invite me, I will tell you, hindi ako tatakbo. I don't run from a fight, I will begin. Pero ito ang sasabihin ko sa inyo, members of this TRICOM. I will bring documents and allow me to speak. Because even if that is the inconvenient truth, that is the truth. Lahat kami rito, hindi namin alam kung paano gumawa ng fake news. We only tell what's the truth, even if it is inconvenient to those who are in power. So mga kababayan, tandaan po ninyo, tingnan po ninyo, pag pumunta po kami doon, inalagkad kami doon, you see how they will treat us. Observe, tingnan ninyo how they will treat us. How they will disrespect us. How they will remove our dignity. Kasi kung gagawin nila yan sa amin, gagawin din nila yan sa inyong lahat, 120 million Filipinos. Ginagawa kaming example to instill fear sa lahat ng Pilipino para manaig sila and they will remain in power for as long as they want. That's how hungry they are. Ganyan sila kaganib, ganyan sila uhaw sa kapangyarihan. All of them. Kaya tandaan po ninyo mga kababayan, ito kami, nandito kami sa harap ninyo. We are not afraid to fight. In fact, dati, kanya-kanya kaming diskarte. Now, they banded us together. And we will speak with one voice. A voice that will raise every Filipino's mind. We will fight and we will win.